we don't know what's going to happen to these forests. Today we are up Pingree Park Road in the Cameron Peak Fire burn scar. It could be every tree is burnt and they just almost look like black toothpicks sticking out of the ground. We have thousands of seedlings that we are planting this summer. A general goal is looking at how seedlings are going to survive in these post-fire environments. This is a big problem, and this is like one of the reasons why we're out here, is just figuring out where do we go from now.
I was looking for a job that would let me kind of show me new places around Colorado, and this job absolutely does that. It's opened my eyes to new places and relationships between the researchers and landowners and stakeholders that are all involved in managing these forests that are so crucial to Colorado.
The students, they're getting a wealth of ecological knowledge.
6, 7, 8.
Yes,
Okay.
for the first 2.
You know, you always get to do what you learned in class, and they're 100% doing what they learned in their classes.
Is a Pinus flexilis.
Nice job.
The basics I've learned in my coursework, I can really apply it and learn more and go deeper out here.
It's hard work, and it can be pretty mentally and physically exhausting at times.
I think I've had ash under my nails for like the last 4 weeks.
But it's so rewarding. I mean, the work that we do is worth it, 100%. I have really enjoyed working with like a close crew of people. I personally feel like I have a part in all of that, and it gives you really good purpose with the work you're doing.